until they get closer.
This is an attack defend game. We are defending the Alamo. We have 2 respawns. The other team has unlimited respawns. They just have to go back to the ping station to respawn.
Guy in the right tip.
Alright, he's gone.
Another one going across. He's behind Rocco. About 100 feet.
Problem is, like one volley, you're gonna put it all back.
Yeah.
Moving to the helicopter. They're getting close to it. Hey, don't run across the front of this so I don't shoot you. He's in the helicopter, I see him.
Watch your fire, because Rocco. Hey, let's stay here, buddy. Hey, buddy.
All right, that guy's dead. The one that was trying to move up in is dead.
See his motherfucker.
Still one in the helicopter.
The other team has more than double the guys we do. So I think we got the balance pretty good. This was a really fun game. I think for both teams.
Him too. 3 right in a row. There's 3 on the right, 2 on the logging trail, 1 on this side of it.
Helicopter's down, helicopter's down.
Oh shit, I seen him.
I see him. Hey Steve, how's it going, bud?
Are they not moving up any further on the right?
Our side of the path.
We kept digging them out of the helicopter, but they just kept filling it right back in.
Oh, I'm out. I'm hit. The tree's on the right.
There, Steve. Stand here and shoot the helicopter.
Guy crawling through the weeds right in the middle.
Got 8 minutes, 8.5. Inside. Put it right in the window.
That's it.
Oh yeah, we also had to stay in the Alamo. We could step out, but we had to be tight to the Alamo.
Hey, watch it, they're coming in. Right out there, they got your
Yep.
ass.
I was gonna say, I don't know how we didn't get him.
Yeah,
The one on the right there. Yeah, oh, there's one. There's one right there too.
One back.
pretty deep. There's one walking in with him too, coming right to him.
Yep. He just ran.
Hit me.
Where's that? It's funny that people are getting shot all around me, and I don't remember any BBs coming near me at all.
Alright, shoot it. This turtle was so bad it hit the...
That new 40 might's a little dangerous. Those BBs separate real quick when they come out of that gun.
I think I'm starting to run out of BBs. Hold on.
Taking like 4 minutes.
4 minutes. This game's about over, so I want to get rid of every BB I have.
He's out.
Don't stand up out there.
Right there.
All right.
Hit from Steve.
Like straight ahead, right in the middle.
Oh, how about that one? At this point in the game, I think there's a bunch of them at the helicopter. Okay, I am out of BBs, so time to pull my grenade and my pistol. We got 56 seconds. 56 seconds. Come on, right up behind you, right up behind you. I got a grenade here. Of course the Thunder B didn't explode. I gotta tear them apart and see what's going on. Okay, another game down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.